Hi, my name is Sadie.
Yo, what's up? My name is Charlie Jones.
Hi, my name's Ava and I'm in 7th grade.
What is your favorite fast food?
Taco Bell.
What is your favorite food to eat?
Sushi.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
What's a food you dislike?
Shrimp.
Why is it important to eat?
So you don't starve to death?
What are 2 foods you can survive off of? What are 2 foods you
Water.
can survive off?
Sushi and Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
I'm in 7th grade.
What is your favorite fast food?
McDonald's.
What is your favorite food to eat?
Skittles.
What's a food you dislike?
Cheese. Ooh.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I'm a pro cook.
Tell us how you make your favorite food. What is your favorite food to eat?
Salad.
Steak.
What's a food you dislike?
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
What's a fact that you know about food?
It's delicious.
Charlie's fat.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes. Wait, what was the question?
Do you know how to cook?
Nope.
Yes, ramen in the microwave.
Why is it important to eat?
So you can get strong.
Tell us how you make your favorite food.
I throw it in a bowl and add some
Put
dressing.
it in the microwave. I put steak in the
What are 2
microwave.
foods you can survive off?
Salad and ribs.
My name's Paxton Shaw.
What is your favorite fast food?
McDonald's.
What is your favorite food to eat?
Pizza.
What's a food you dislike?
Cheese.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Tell us why it's important to eat.
So you don't die.
Tell us how you make your favorite food.
Put it in a pan. Get the dough up. Put sauce on it, cheese on it. Put it in the oven.
What are 2 foods you can survive off of?
Pizza and ham sandwiches.
Hi, my name is Dylan Black.
What is your favorite fast food?
All of it.
What is your favorite food to eat?
All of it except vegetables.
What food do you dislike?
Vegetables.
Do you know how to cook?
Yep.
Why is it important that you eat?
So you don't die,
Tell us how you make your favorite food.
right? I put it in the microwave and I put it in there for 45 seconds at a time.
What are 2 foods that you can survive off of?
Um,
It's not.
probably steak and spaghetti.